The Roster Photos tool is only visible to teaching teams, so there is no need to disable the Roster Photos tool from the left-hand navigation menu. When entering this tool, all the students' course ID photos for those students enrolled in the course will appear in this tool. So students have the ability to navigate to access and voice record their name pronunciation and specify their pronouns, which we pull into Canvas through this Roster Photos tool, all by utilizing an application called Name Coach. Name pronunciation is available to teaching staff along with a photo in the Roster Photos tool in Canvas. The faces are blurred out due to FERPA, but once clicking on a student's course ID photo, a panel will display for the student, which allows the instructor to view preferred pronouns, and by clicking on the play icon, listen to the name pronunciation. If these options are not visible, students may be unaware they can navigate to access and make these selections. Please make students aware. One would navigate to access, select the My Academics menu, and then click the Name Coach link. The Name Coach website will launch in a new tab or window. Their name and email address should be pre-populated. Then they will be able to add the phonetic spelling of their name and add an audio recording of their name as well. Instructors can download a list of student email addresses and other student information through the Roster Photos tool. We recommend doing so before the add drop period and right after, for this will provide teaching teams with an accurate list of students' names and email addresses. This essentially serves as a failsafe, for at any given time there may be a lag in notifications deploying from Canvas. For instance, if you send an announcement and didn't receive a notification that that announcement successfully deployed, it most likely did not. In this case, you may contact students external to Canvas. There is a download with photos and without photos button to generate export of roster with official university photos. Something to note that when you download, the roster pronouns will be visible, for the pronoun appears as a column in the CSV file. Also, clearing cache. When accessing roster photos, you may encounter an error message when utilizing Chrome. Please clear cache or utilize a different browser. This is an issue with many Stanford sites. If you have any questions, please contact canvashelp@stanford.edu. There is no question too big or too small. Again, that is canvashelp@stanford.edu.